Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Praful, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can randomly select an element from a list. So first off, we'll have to import a package called random. Now I have created a list here with some random integer values. Now from the library random, we will access the choice function, and we will pass the list, that is test. We will store this random number into some variable called random number. Now let's print this out. The random number from the list, that is test, is this is the random number, right? Yeah. Now we'll run this code. Now if you see, every time I run this code, I'm getting a random number here. So from this list, I'm getting a random number every time I'm running this code. So I hope you got an idea on how you can use the choice function from the random library. Please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon, guys. Thank you.